welcome back to the Crystalina Perspective. It's been a minute, guys. Not really, but I always feel like it's been a minute. So if you saw by the title of this video, today we are doing a CurlBox unboxing or haul. I don't really know what to call that, but we're doing it. So if you're interested in watching, stay tuned. Okay, guys, so CurlBox is a monthly curl subscription or hair subscription for women of whatever they choose to be that retails for $25, of course, plus shipping, which is about $5. So you pay $30 a month for full-size products, like legit full-size products. And honestly, I've used CurlBox before. I had the subscription before. I stopped it only because I got so much product and I wasn't very, what's the word? Strategic. I was not using the product. I wasn't even doing my hair, just being honest. But my hairstylist hurt herself really bad, so she's out of commission. So I have no choice but to do my hair now or look like a hot mess. And believe me, my wife is not gonna let that happen at all. So I resubscribed to CurlBox, but in the process, I saw some things on their site, so I went shopping. Now, CurlBox is a subscription box that they have a list, and you have to join the list each month in order to get access to whatever the subscription box is. But never fear, never fear, never fear. There are some people that simply don't like subscription boxes, or they don't necessarily want a commitment like that. Well, that is where the CurlBox non-subscription boxes come in handy. So today I have two boxes that I'm super pumped up about unboxing. These boxes can range anywhere from $15 to as expensive as I have seen, $35. And it's still full-size products, just not the commitment, not you having to allocate money each month to CurlBox. Just you see it, you like it, you buy it. That's it. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. I have an actual hair brand product collection, and then I also have a CurlBox tool collection that I picked up from their site. Like, first off, let me just say, I absolutely love CurlBox. I love what they do, how they do it. I don't know how they do it, but I love how they do it. So this first box is by Tangleteezer. So basically, CurlBox collaborate with a brand. This brand may bring, a lot of times it's their newest collection of products. So that's a good thing. Like, it's not the old stuff. Sometimes it's older stuff, but honestly, from my experience with CurlBox, everything has been new launches from whatever brand they're working with. And I like that. I also like the fact that you pay a small fee of $25 to $30 with your shipping, $30, and you get to try new hair products for $30 a month, which I feel like you can't beat that with a stick. Most hair products now range anywhere from about $20 to $25 for one of the products. You can scale it down a smidget to about $10 to $20 depending on the brand. But to be able to try a good multitude of products from one brand for $30, you can't beat that. And to also get a non-subscription box and be able to do the same thing, I personally feel like you also can't beat that. So this is the Tangleteezer box. This box only costs $15. One freaking Tangleteezer is like $15 to $20. I'm gonna let you do the math. So we get a cute pamphlet. It's a collaboration, and it gives you all of the products on the back, and I absolutely love that. CurlBox was always good with this. Like, a lot of times for the subscription box, I know, which you guys will see that later this month, they will put a snippet about the brand owner inside of the brochure, and then talk about each product individually and how you're supposed to use them. So the first product that we have is the detangling. Is this right? No. That's not the first one. we're gonna back up, y'all. This is what I mean by the brochure. So of course you have your CurlBox pamphlet here that just basically gives you your disclaimer that of course CurlBox has not manufactured any of these products. These products are manufactured by the company. So if you have a problem with the product, you want to reach out to the company and not necessarily CurlBox. And then CurlBox also has their hashtags here. There's opportunities to win free boxes. But this is what I was talking about. This right here. They always try to put information about the brand inside of the box so you can read about it and, you know, figure out what you like, what you dislike, and all of that. So the first item is, here we go, is the detangling hairbrush. This is for 3C to 4C hair types, and it's ideal for wet hair. It says not to be used with heat. This is what this product look like. This is the Purple Passion tool. It says with its longer, firmer teeth, this hairbrush is perfect for detangling 3C to 4C types. Use on wet curls to slash your detangling time in half. Always start with your ends and work your way up to your roots. So this is a full-size Tangleteezer. Like, y'all, legit, these cost like $15 to $20. Like, you can get like the knockoff version or the non-name brand version at Ulta for like $10, but still, it's like a whole one. So that's product one. Product two is the Scalp Exfoliator and Massager, and it is in pretty pink. It's for scalp detoxification and eliminating product buildup. This wellness tool flaunts double dual teeth that help massage and detox the scalp, eliminating product buildup. Circular motions will help encourage growth and healing. I love brushes like this because my scalp just gets dirty. And so the fact that we were able to get a whole, like 2 whole brushes, like, you can't beat it. So then the third product is the Thick and Curly Salsa Red. Okay. This is for incredibly thick hair, designed specifically for ultra thick hair. This detangling hairbrush utilizes 2-tier firm flex teeth that are longer and stronger than the brand's other hairbrushes. The tool easily works its way through dense textures and tangles. So this, I'm not sure, my hair isn't super duper thick. This may not work for my hair, but that's okay. Because guess what? I still got 3 other brushes. So this is what it looks like. Like, you just can't beat it. And then the very last brush is the Ultimate Detangler in Dancing Purple. It's for super long curls / sensitive curls. You will love this special brush if your long curls tend to suffer from a lot of breakage while detangling. The Ultimate Detangler has 332 2-tiered teeth. Wow. Okay. That bend and move with your hair shaft for gentle detangling, perfect for use while conditioning in the shower or dry detangling while styling. So, of course, none of these products are to be used with heat, but it says 50 million of these have been sold. So that is what that looks like. And that was these are my 4 brushes that I received from CurlBox and Tangleteezer. And this box was $15. Like, seriously, that many detangling brushes, $15. I think I just stole from somebody. Okay, guys, so the final product that I picked up was in CurlBox's True Fashion. This is their pink box. They use this box for their subscription boxes. I picked up a hair collection. The main choice came out with a new line of product, and I had to try it. So this is what it looks like. when you open the box, y'all saw it fall out? That's the pamphlet. But it always has some type of tissue on top. And then there's all your product, like all of it. Okay guys, so in true CurlBox fashion, you get your CurlBox little pamphlet. It tells you to show off your curls, and this is what I mean when I say they typically have the owner of the brand on the pamphlet with some information. So it has here the main choice in CurlBox and where you can find this brand, and then it has all of the details about the products inside of the pamphlet. And I feel like these are so perfect. So in this collection, there's a total of 6 full-size products. The box only costs $25. 6 full-size products. So we're going to start off with this. This is the Main Choice H2OH Hydration Therapy Deep Cleansing Shampoo. It has Sea Soothing Complex with amino acid, red and brown seaweed, and hemp extract, and it's for all hair types. It's infused with biotin, vitamins A, B, and C with C minerals. And this is what that looks like. This is a 8 fluid ounce of product. Nice pump. If I recall correctly, at Sally's, the Main Choice retails for anywhere from $10 to $20. Most of the products hit in the middle range of $15 to $16. I just got this and 5 other products for $25. You do the math. So this is the shampoo. The next item that we have in this collection is the Intense Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. It has the exact same ingredients. It also has a pump top, and that is what it looks like. It's also 8 fluid ounces. Moving right along, we have the Main Choice H2OH, and this is the deep conditioning mask. This is a 8 ounce. Ooh, it smells good, y'all. That's what it's looking like. This is what you would use after your shampoo, and this is what it looks like. So it looks like we have a series of different types of oils here. So we have the mineral rich hydration spray. And this is what this looks like. It's an 8 fluid ounce. It's a pump top. I appreciate them for wrapping this so that it does not spill. Appreciate that wholeheartedly. And then the 5th and 6th product, we have a soothing scalp oil, and this is what this looks like. It does have the clear plastic on it, but it looks like this. And we got 4 fluid ounces of this hair oil, which I think that's dope. And then this is the Scalp Toning Micellar Water. Oh, it got something floating in it. Y'all, can y'all see that? It's something floating in it. I've never heard of this. What is this for? Wow. So you rinse this product out. So you know how we use the micellar water to cleanse our face, like cleanse the makeup off? They created a micellar water for your hair to cleanse the oil and dirt off your scalp. Wow. That's dope. So you get 6 fluid ounces of this product. I definitely think that's cool. And it's also wrapped at the top. So you get a total in this box, a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products for a whopping total of $25. And you can play and try these products out until your soul sets you free. If the products do not work, it's okay, because the thing is, it would suck to have to go pay for products individually and they do not work on your hair, and then you're stuck with it and you've wasted a ton of money, versus getting you a CurlBox and simply just trying out the products. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, it doesn't. At the end of the day, it's still a loss, but it's not that great of a loss if it doesn't work. For the most part, most of the brands that I have been sent by CurlBox all work beautifully on my hair. I just collected a lot of stuff, but that was because I was not doing my hair. Now I am doing my hair every week. But that, and then the Tangleteezer tools for $15. I think that's a whopping deal. If you never checked out the CurlBox website, I highly encourage you guys to check it out. Not affiliated or sponsored by CurlBox or anything like that. Just simply sharing. And one other thing that I will say is, when it comes to the various CurlBoxes, you can do the subscription, and each month you get a nice surprise, or you can just wait. There's always a non-subscription box each month, and some months, depending on whether or not the product sold out, they're still available. So just think about it. Go check out the website. Let me know down in the comments what you guys thought about the Tangleteezer as well as the Main Choice CurlBoxes. One was $15, one was $25, so I paid a whopping $40 for those products, and I got a ton. I made a lot happen with $40, a lot. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, also share with all your friends. Let me know down in the comments, what did you like about this CurlBox unboxing? What did you find interesting about CurlBox? And until our next video, you guys have a dope day. Bye.